Hey guys, not a short video. I'm cleaning the APS right now, and think like still have those marks here. Looks like some ink or paint. I'm trying to get alcohol. See, with alcohol, doesn't come up at all. Just gonna show you guys a little trick. When you get these several things that you buy in thrift stores and stuff, sometimes they came the mark with the price or things like that. The easiest way to take those out, get a sharp like here, get on the place all over. See, then after this, just take the same cotton with alcohol and you come up pretty easily. See? That's all, guys.